So in this question, you are giving a number of multiple choice questions, right? All about them about refraction and lens. So this question is really about lens and refractions. So let's look at them one by one. The first one says, a lens then converges the polarly beam of light incident on it is called, of course, a converging lens, right? It's a converging lens. It's called a converging lens, and I think in the given choice, probably the best choice is B, right? Convex. Second, when light ray pass through a lens, it undergoes refraction, right? Then third one, speed of light when it pass through a lens decreased by factor 1.5. So the refractive index of the lens is 1.5 as well. In an experiment to determine the focal length of a concave mirror,